Easy garlic noodle recipe. Let's go. Cook your noodles. It could be packaged noodles. It could be homemade pasta. It could be instant noodles. Any type of noodles you want, just cook it. I'm mincing up 1 bulb of garlic. Cut up your green onions. I'm cutting it at a diagonal because I'm going to be plating it. 2 tablespoons soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. If you're making more noodles, then add more. Just make sure that your soy sauce and your oyster sauce is equal parts. Hand sear the shrimp. About 4 tablespoons of butter. Add your minced garlic salt, sauce mixture, a little bit of chili flakes. Add in your pasta. Add in shrimp. Taste and adjust seasoning. Grate in some Parmesan cheese. Add scallions. And now we eat. Mmm. Justice!